Hello, I'm Jessica McKinney from the SEC's Office of the Advocate for Small Business Capital Formation. The SEC proposed amendments to update the accredited investor definition. This is the first rulemaking proposal to come out of this summer's Harmonization Concept Release, in which the Commission solicited your feedback on how to harmonize and improve the rules for exempt or private offerings. Let's take a step back and explain why this definition is important. Then we'll explore the proposed changes. Qualifying as accredited investor determines whether you can invest in companies and funds using the most commonly used private offering types. Most angel investor, venture capital, and private equity transactions rely on this definition. The current rule uses wealth or income to determine whether investors do not need the protections that come from registration because of their own sophistication and financial profile. Who can participate in private market transactions is critical both for the investor's access to investment opportunities as well as companies' ability to raise the capital they need to grow and thrive. Now, let's dive into the changes. The proposal leaves the current wealth or income thresholds in place, but adds other means of qualifying. The proposal also permits spousal equivalents to qualify under the joint income thresholds like married couples. The proposal would add new measures of sophistication for individuals to qualify as accredited based upon their having certain types of professional credentials or their status as a knowledgeable employee of a private fund. For entities, I'd like to highlight two proposed changes. First, the proposal would expand the types of entities that can qualify, capturing all existing entity forms, including LLCs, Indian tribes, and family offices, as well as entity types that could be created in the future. Second, for many of the new entities to qualify, they would use a new $5 million in investments test, rather than the $5 million in assets used under the current rule. This video was produced by the SEC's Office of the Advocate for Small Business Capital Formation and is meant to provide only a very high-level summary of the proposed amendments. I encourage you to look at the release for more details and how to share your feedback with us. Check out our office's How to Comment video for more information. Help shape the future of capital raising.